So this is how you can use a rotary encoder in Rabbi. So what I have here is just a regular cheap rotary encoder connected to a Raspberry Pi Pico that is connected to a controller. So as soon as in Rabbi we have the auxiliary Pico connected, we can see that it's detected. So we have the Pico extender that of course can handle S-bus and I-bus input, and also we have new options for rotary encoder function. So you can use the rotary encoder either for menu navigation, which is a default, either for camera control. So when it's used for menu, you just rotate it and you can navigate the menu. A long press, it goes back, and a short press, it's for selecting. And now if you go to the vehicle, you can adjust, for example, the camera parameters on the fly. So if we go to brightness, just rotating the encoder adjusts the brightness automatically. So now let's switch to the other function, which is directly controlling the So now I'm switching to camera adjustment, and now I have to use the buttons to navigate out. So now the rotary encoder, it's assigned to camera control, so as soon as you rotate it, it automatically brings up a quick adjustment function, and if you press the encoder you can switch between contrast, brightness and so on. So you can change pretty much everything on the fly. Of course, all these settings are specific for each vehicle, so let's say I switch to a different vehicle now. So this one has a different settings for brightness and so on. You will find a link in the description on how to connect the rotary encoder to a Pico and how to connect the Pico to the controller. Basically you just need to connect it using the I2C interface. That's all. Thank you.